Hello, Bellevue East students and staff. Starting January 9th, we will be composting like a beast. All food and napkin items will be compostable starting Tuesday, January 9th. Composting is brought to you by the Bellevue East Green Initiative. We have been raising funds the last year or two to be able to bring composting to the school through a company called Hillside Solutions. So shout out to Mr. Bacon, Mr. Dangle, the Green Bellevue, and all Green Initiative students who have helped work to make this initiative happen.
The waste stations will be organized by their final destination. The first bin at the waste station is trash. You will dispose of all wrappers, utensils, and open milk cartons in the trash. Next will be recycling. Plastic bottles and cans, all of which should be empty, will be placed in the recycling bin. New in January will be composting. All open and eaten food and napkins will go into the compost bin. Any unopened food items or uneaten fruit can be placed in the share bin for other students to take. Finally, we will be stacking our trays and cold lunch containers on a table at the end of the station to help reduce the volume of space these items take up in their respective bins.
The waste station locations, there will be 2 in the cafeteria and 1 in the senior commons. Both waste stations will be pushed towards H wing. One will be where the old vending machines are, and the other one will be right by the garden. The senior commons one will stay in between the senior commons and the F wing.
For this operation to run smoothly, you're going to want to separate your waste before you go to the waste stations. So what this means is you would group your stuff like your trash, your recyclables, your food waste, and your unopened and uneaten food. So trash will be like your milk cartons, wrappers, utensils, and plastic bags, that kind of thing. Your recyclables will be empty bottles and cans. And keep in mind, whenever you're throwing away bottles, you're going to want to take off the plastic wrapper on the outside of the bottle and put that in the trash because that's not recyclable. Food waste would be food that is open and you've eaten it. And unopened, uneaten food would be like your bags of carrots, cheese sticks, bananas, apples, unopened milk, and stuff like that. So an example of grouping your trash and whatnot would be like if you had a partially eaten cheese stick, you would take the plastic wrapper off and you would throw away the cheese stick with the food waste, the composting, and then throw away the plastic wrapper in the trash. And keep in mind, if you're not sure about recycling or throwing away something, when in doubt, throw it out. It's better to throw something in the trash that you don't know if it's recyclable or not than to throw trash in recyclable.
So there you have it, Bellevue East. Composting starts January 9th. All students are expected to follow these new procedures. The first week, we will have people from Hillside Solutions, the company that we are going through, here to assist with that process. And then our goal is to have representatives from Green Bellevue come in to assist the following week. And then after that, we will be doing it on our own. So hopefully you will be learning and taking away how to properly dispose of your items at lunch and at breakfast here at Bellevue East. Thank you for doing your part to make Bellevue East a greener, more sustainable place.